Thanks for making the time to take the What's Your Number One Kitchen Remodeling Blocker quiz. Your quiz results report is being created as we speak and should be hitting your email inbox in about 30 minutes from now. In the meantime, let's talk about your results. Hi, I'm Diane Plessett, award-winning designer and author, homeowner advocate, and creator of this assessment. Based on the information you've shared and the little I know about you and your situation, your number one kitchen remodeling blocker is what's known as the PD, Plan Deficiency. What that means is that you may be missing one or both of the two things that will affect your kitchen remodeling success. The first one is an overall plan for your project that includes a list of all products you want, an investment spreadsheet, a project time frame. The second plan is a detailed set of documents that includes dimensioned before and proposed floor plans, elevations of all interior walls, product specifications for everything you've chosen. You may be too busy to think about details and want to leave decisions to others. You need and want to remodel your kitchen, but you just don't have time to spare. The one big mistake this remodeling blocker can cause you to make is letting others tell you what's right for you with very little feedback from you. Questions that never get asked never get answers or appropriate results. Two-way communication is the most important thing in every relationship, especially related to your personal environment. The best kitchen remodeling projects require thought, time, and money. Even the best professionals are not mind readers. They have their preferred style, and you have your preferred style. Very seldom are they the same. You're investing a lot of your hard-earned money in a remodeled kitchen, and it has to meet your expectations. Unmet expectations lead you to feel frustrated, overwhelmed, and resentful. These negative feelings impact everything you do. They impact your relationship with everyone you know. And here's the thing, the impact of mistakes gets greater over time. Not only do you want and need to remodel your kitchen, which creates a sense of urgency, but you may feel resentful when others are getting great kitchen remodeling results and you're not. Things may not be turning out the way you envisioned, and you're hearing only Swiss cheese excuses, not rock-solid reasons. There are many beliefs that most homeowners in your position have that lead to expensive and time-consuming mistakes. Mistakes happen when we don't make the time to check reality. Thankfully, there are some practical and achievable steps you can take to deal with the kitchen remodeling blocker that's affecting you. It is important to understand and be proactive about all your decisions relating to your kitchen remodel before they turn into mistakes. You might be wondering, how do you learn to avoid mistakes that others make? Mistakes related to not knowing about planning a kitchen remodeling project. How can you learn to create a plan and follow it so you will make good decisions? Well, this is what I do all day, every day, for the past 37 years. I help people of all ages and stages of life to bust through their kitchen remodeling blockers. And I just so happen to have step-by-step instructions on this very topic based on my experience with homeowners just like you. And because you've made the time to take this assessment and tell me a little about you and your situation, I'd love to have just 20 minutes of your time to ask some important questions so I can offer specific, customized solutions that will help you move forward. Based on our virtual meeting, I'll send you recommendations about what you can do to ensure that you get the results you want in a definite amount of your time. The only catch is this. Because this special offer is going away really soon, you'll want to schedule a virtual meeting with me before the countdown timer at the top of the screen goes to 0. So go ahead and schedule our meeting now while you're thinking about it. I'll send you an immediate reminder and another reminder at least 24 hours before our meeting. I'm excited to hear about your kitchen remodeling project and eager to help you.